Hello everyone. Today we are going to complete page number 2nd from Vikas Navneet craft book class 2nd. Last time we solved page number 1. Now on page number 2nd some geometrical design is there. Today we are going to complete this like this. For this we required some stickers. Stickers come with along with that book. Okay, last time we learned how to keep that, how to cut it. For this geometrical part I am going to use one color for a background. Okay, if you want to mix two color, two more, you can mix it, but I am taking here pink color. When you using that color, make that sure we have a yellow, blue, red and green, these four color having the papers with us. That's why try to skip that colors. That time all papers will be visible from the background. Okay, like this. When you painting any part, make that sure paint outline part first, then inside. Okay, like this, one by one we are going to paint. When you painting, paint it carefully, color will not going inside. Paint all part. Okay, I'm going to paint it fast now. You have to give time for paint. Slowly you have to paint it. Try to paint each and every part. White part, white spot it should not there. Then it's look like more beautiful when you paint it properly. Because outline part is there, if you see the shape is given, that's why we are going to paint background. If any outside part will not there, that time no need to paint background. Okay, afterwards we are going to learn it on next page. Here on that design I am going to paint. Okay, if any white part is remain, you can overlap color once again and paint it properly like this. Now coloring is almost finished. Now take a tool to make it smooth and clean. You know that how to use that. Last time we learned about it. Okay, you can clean it like this. Then also some white part visible there. There also you can overlap coloring once again. With the help of this tool we make smooth. If any white part is remain, automatically it will be fixed. Then also some white part it sometime visible, that time you can overlap color once again. Okay, like this. Few dots are white there. I'm going to paint that part. Okay, after this procedure we are going to collect paper first, not sticking directly. We are going to make color combination. Here I am taking the square shape red colors. Okay, this paper is coming with that book. On back side if you see one envelope is there, on that you can cut it and collect it properly. Okay, like this. For triangle I am using the yellow color, then circle and semicircle with the help of green color. Like this you can collect first all papers those are required for this design, for this work. Every time follow these steps to all pages, because sometimes we don't have a same color. That time you can make different color scheme and try to stick all papers with your imagination. You can change colors, is depend on you. Okay, now I'm going to keep this for right triangle shape. I'm taking blue color, like this. We can stick paper. Now I'm going to keep paper on it, and then after I'm going to see how it's like. If like changes, if you want to make some changes, you can change it. Now I'm going to keep paper aside. Take Fevicol or glue something to stick the paper. Just take a small part and spread it with your hands or finger. Okay, like this. I'm going to spread all part. Okay, make that sure the all outline part will be stick properly. One by one you can choose color those we selected before. Okay, then it will be easy to stick paper fast. Now I'm going to follow this video. Follow these steps to each and every part. Take Fevicol, spread with your fingers and choose color and stick on it. Make that sure all parts should be stick. Okay, one by one you can complete each and every part. Then after it's look like a more beautiful. Okay, when you choosing that color, make that sure make some sense from that color. If you want to make two sides same, opposite side same, okay, you can do like this. One by one stick all papers. See that if you using a red color on background, that time its color will not visible. That's why try to avoid this poor color for background. If you using that, make that sure if you use different color shade of that color. For example, here dark green is there, you can use light green for background. Okay, that time you can visible that parts and the stickers. Okay, now our this work is finished. Afterwards it's look like this. If you want to do border for outline, you can do it, but when it will be required, that time I am going to skip this step. Okay, afterwards we are going to start new one. Till that time, bye bye everyone.